already know that we living in a world that's filled with opportunities. But you have to align these opportunities with your purpose. You got two options. You can use your perception of this world to seek out these opportunities, or you can be blind to them and miss the chance to live life to your best potential.
We came up from nothing, flip that shit, turn it to something. Beat the block, call it percussion. You coming for one is like coming for all. Fuck it, we can for sure get it bustin'. Nigga don't want no smoke, nigga don't want that deal. These niggas not in the field, we do this shit like for real. We do this shit like for real. This for the night we beat down block. Now nigga beat down sold out show. This for the nights we been living in the hotel room, cause a nigga ain't had no home. Tell me what you want from a nigga, tell me what you want from a nigga, what you really, really want. Whoa. Tell me what you want. This for the night we beat down block. Now nigga beat down sold out show. This for the nights we been living in the hotel room, cause a nigga ain't had no home. Tell me what you want from a nigga, tell me what you want from a nigga, what you really, really want. Yeah, whoa, yeah. Tell me what you want. We undefeated, the struggle, that shit made us sweeter. You sit at our table, we feasting, we don't give a damn, cause we aim for the top. If a nigga wanna send down shots like bang, bang, I'm on the way with my brothers call. Heartache for bitches made us evolve. Stop wasting time on that back and forth. We gotta get it with no remorse. Most of these people don't understand. We had to make it up slimmer chance. I ain't ashamed of my devil dance. Some of this shit going hand in hand. We gotta get this shit back. Strategically plan an attack. We had to cut niggas off. They're not part of the team. They're not picking up slack. This for the night we beat down block. Now nigga beat down sold out shows. This for the night we lived in a hotel room, cause a nigga ain't had no home. Tell me what you want from a nigga. Tell me what you want from a nigga, what you really, really want. Whoa. Tell me what you want. This for the night we beat down block. Now nigga beat down sold out shows. This for the night we lived in a hotel room, cause a nigga ain't had no home. Tell me what you want from a nigga. Tell me what you want from a nigga, what you really, really want. Whoa. Tell me what you want. We came up from nothing, flip that shit, turn it to something. Beat the block, call it percussion. You coming for one is like coming for all. Fuck it, we can for sure get it bustin'. Nigga don't want no smoke, nigga don't want that deal. These niggas not in the field, we do this shit like for real. We do this shit like for real.